guys, welcome to the KC Glam Show, and today we are going to do a natural look, starting with the brows, of course, baby girl. Then we're going to start off with a LA Girl Pro Concealer on the lids to give us a blank canvas, and our Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 335. I have the matte poreless. I usually apply it with a beauty blender, and I place it on the beauty blender and tap it over my face, and then I start to blend. Now that that is done, sis, we are now going to go in with our contouring. So I'm using the same LA Girl Pro Concealer in Pure Beige, and I take a concealer brush and apply it where I want to contour on my face. I like this because it's light, and I don't know why, but this Pure Beige seems to have a bit of full coverage. Usually LA Girl doesn't have that much of full coverage for me, but this shade does. So before actually blending it in, I take my Rose Mist to set my concealer, and I go ahead with my beauty blender and start dabbing it all in. Now we are going to set our concealer with our LA Color setting powder, and I'm not going to actually bake it. I'm just going to place it on top because I feel it gives me a better look and it lasts longer than I would to actually sit here and bake. So alright girl, now it's time for the deep part of the contour. So we're going to take our Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and take the medium shade to snatch our nose, honey. I have the Wet n Wild concealer brush, I assume, and I use it for my nose. And now that is done, we are going to take a regular blush brush, and I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette to blush it out. Then I go in with the medium shade again, and I flatten my brush to give the, sharp look, contour look. And we cannot forget our liner. Yes, we need to make it as sharp enough to, cut somebody when we walk past. Because if I cut you, that means you're too close. We are almost to the end. We are going to add our kcglamshop lashes in the style Celine, honey. Yes, I love these lashes. These are the first lashes I've tried on, and yes, they come out so great. So we're going to add purple at the bottom of our lash line and highlighter on our cheekbones. My highlighter is from Bella Terra Cosmetics. It's actually a shimmer called Gold Mine. This is last but definitely not least, we're going to add our MAC Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Plum. Okay, Glam Babes, this is the final look. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you feel like I should have done something different, or if you'd like to tell me what you add into your natural face routine, comment below. Make sure you subscribe as well. Thanks for watching.